I'm a very long-time patient. I've known him ever since he's had this building and before he had this building. And he is an excellent dentist. His staff is fantastic. I would not go anywhere else, and I recommend lots and lots of people come to him.
Rusty is a long-time patient. She's been here for over 2 decades with me. You know, she was happy. First time we met, it was joyful. Over the years, I have done braces on her. I've done some crown works and everything else. She's just a delightful person.
I like going to Amazing Smiles because he is the smile. His staff is the smile also. When you come in the door, when they call you for an appointment to tell you have one, that's fine. You're glad to see them. It makes you feel good to come in, somebody that does care. Oh, he's an excellent dentist. He's an excellent person. And the sign of the smiles is true because he does smile. He comes in, he sees you, and he smiles. You make him happy. Some doctors get grumpy. He does not. He's always made you feel very comfortable, and any questions or anything that you need done, he answers.
It is gratifying for me to see the changes on her over the years. You know, we became best friends. You know, I invited her to my Christmas party. She's a part of the family. She's not just a patient.
Oh, I thank heavens that they're here, that Dr. Keogh's here, that his staff is here. They're fantastic. But they make you feel good. You don't feel like you're, imposing upon anything, that they're here for you to help you in any way. And I like that. It's like seeing an old friend again. It really is.